And here's I'll show you how to create custom stickers using your gallery photos in Samsung Galaxy A16. Go to your gallery app and first of all randomly open any picture. After opening a picture, just tap on this pencil icon to edit the picture. And here, tap on sticker. Now, select stickers. And here select gallery. Now tap on this plus icon. And now from your gallery, select a picture to use as sticker. In my case, I'm selecting this picture for example. And here we have to draw around the image. I'm selecting here snap to shape. And simply I'm selecting this part. Once selected, I'm tapping on next. And here if you want to use a background color, you can select a color from here. Tap on done. And here you can see I've successfully created a custom sticker. Now just tap on save. Tap on save. And you have successfully created and saved a custom sticker. Now just go ahead and open the app where you want to use a custom sticker and open your keyboard. From your keyboard, tap on this emoji icon. And here select your gallery. And here you will find all of your created custom stickers. Now go ahead and you will be able to use your custom stickers just like so. Thanks for watching.